just because of hectic schedule of the
CRC and they are doing very well.
it's around 8 lakh.
कैसा नेटफ्लिक्स चलता है या बफरिंग होती है? हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो भाई अभी हम लोग आए जिम्स कॉलेज में एंड हमारे साथ पीजीडीएम के स्टूडेंट है। चलो इनसे रिव्यू लेते हैं। तो फर्स्टली तो आप लोग अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दो।
So well, my name is Sukhmani Kaur, born and raised in Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM from GNIOT, and before that, I have completed BBA from Chandigarh University.
Hello, my name is Utkarsh Mishra. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM from GEMS Greater Noida.
Why you choose PGDM course not MBA?
So well, I have chosen PGDM instead of MBA because I think PGDM is a very practical course and it's industry driven. So that's why.
As she mentioned, it is very practical and it gives a lot of industry exposure. What is going in industry, we study about that. Industry-driven course it is. So I choose PGDM.
Why you choose जिम्स कॉलेज?
Well, when I was searching for my college, so I have compared GEMS with many other colleges, and I think this one was the best college. So that's why I'm here.
While I was searching for college, I have very categories for the selection of the college. While going through GEMS, I came across that first of all the fee structure was very good. After that, they are providing a lot of certifications. Certification includes from Coursera, IIM Bangalore, and Grant Thornton, and they are also providing international immersion program, which includes in the field.
ओके, जैसे आपने बात किया फी स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, तो आप मुझे बताइए फी स्ट्रक्चर कितना है यहाँ पे 2 ईयर प्रोग्राम का?
It's around 8,38,000.
जिम्स में करिकुलम और टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी कैसी है, ट्रेडिशनल या इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड?
It's industry oriented as we get many field projects and we get industrial visits.
Talking about the teaching methodology, it is all about, as I have mentioned you before, that it is all about industry driven process. What is going in industries, it is all about that, and we get a lot of practical knowledge over there. For example, if we study something in our classroom, so we have to do that practical over there. If we are going for a HR classes, we have to consult for the HR through LinkedIn, or we had a lot of exposure in our campus too.
आपके फैकल्टी मेंबर कैसे हैं, क्या इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर देते हैं?
So well, the faculty members out here are very good and they are friendly, they are supportive. And the second question is how they are supporting us in industry knowledge. So as I mentioned earlier that we have industrial visits and field project reports. So that's how.
Yeah, teachers are very much cooperative to us. They provide us a good knowledge and they had proved themselves that why they are best.
क्या इंटर्नशिप या लाइव प्रोजेक्ट करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है?
Yes, we are first year students and we'll be having a 6-month internship.
As she mentioned, we will get 6-month internship and as well as we get a live project as well. In previous semesters, just we had a field project on HRM and marketing about the 4Ps, how 4Ps works in the market. So we had a exposure to live project as well as.
जिम्स का कैंपस लाइफ कैसे है, हॉस्टल और फैसिलिटीज का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए।
Okay, so the campus life out here is very good. The hostels are also good. We have 24/7 electricity and security and many more facilities.
As I'm a day scholar, I don't know about this hostel, but the environment is very friendly. Everything is well going. We had a lot of exposure in the campus. We have clubs and we have games facilities as well as.
कैंपस लाइफ कैसा है?
Campus life is good. Like we have a music room, we have fest going on.
Sometimes you feels that it is very good and sometimes you feel that it is very low just because of hectic schedule of the college. When there is a fest, you enjoy a lot, but when there is any project, any interview sessions, so you got drained out because it is very long hectic time and the environment is very much friendly and the college is more supportive towards the.
क्लब और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, क्या ये ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है?
Yes, अगर क्लब्स की बात करें तो gyms have many clubs including the marketing club, Newton club, entrepreneurship clubs and many more, include regarding the different specialization like the HRM club. So currently I'm in the marketing club and we have many different activities going on. Like recently marketing club has organized a pitch perfect activity and before that we have organized an AdMat show which was very interactive.
So in GEMS we had a lot of clubs: marketing club, finance club, HR club, Sanskriti club, CRC club, MDP cells. So all the clubs have their own perspectives toward every students. Coming to the CRC, they are more driven to the internship parts and leadership talk series, Probodhan talk series. Coming to the HR clubs, they are more oriented towards how the HR trends is going on today and vice and everyone. Currently, now if you are here in the campus, so in campus there are 2 events going on. One is dashboard competition is going on and one is finance club. It is Bid Bazaar in which we have to bid for the players and we have to make our own team. It's something like that. So by this club events and club membership, we get to know how the corporate works and what are the leadership qualities we require to handle these situations and the members. In management is all about how we maintain and how we manage the members over there.
कैंपस प्लेसमेंट का एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है, कंपनीज कैसी आती हैं?
So for placement, we have a strong placement team, CRC, and they are doing very well. And currently we are in first year, so we don't know much about.
जिम्स का प्लेसमेंट स्टेटस क्या है, एवरेज पैकेज कितना है?
So well, here in GIMS, we have given a 5 lakh assured placement from the college, and the average package is around 8 to 10 lakhs.
Yeah, as she mentioned, we had get a bond in which they said, in which there is a few criteria. We have to maintain our attendance above 80%, and in LND we have to maintain our attendance above 80 and 85%. Then they will have assured placement of 5 lakhs, and average package is in range of 8 to 10.
क्या प्लेसमेंट के लिए किसी स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है?
Yes, of course. Like here in GIMS, we have the LND classes, the Excel and Python classes, which are going on side by side to improve our communication skills so that we can crack the interview. And along with that, we also have an aptitude class.
Yeah, there are LND sessions over there, and there are all expert visit which narrate us and which direct us how you have to perform in the interview, and what kind of body language you have to carry during your interview.
अगर कोई स्टूडेंट जिम्स ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो उन्हें क्या सजेशन देना चाहेंगे आप?
So well, I would suggest them that it's the best decision if you join here because it gives you a great exposure, practical exposure, and along with that, the campus life is very good there.
If I have to suggest, so it is all about, as Jim says, idea to execution. So if you had an idea, so you can execute over here, and it provides a warm and enjoyable campus life over there.
आपके पीजीएम जर्नी का सबसे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट क्या है?
So well, everything is a memorable moment here. Currently, we are pursuing PGDM as we have mentioned, so we are making memory.
Yeah, as she mentioned, we are making memories.
क्या जिम्स आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन पर खड़ा उतरा है?
Definitely, it's 200% what I have imagined before joining this college, and it's above my expectations actually.
फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या है आपके पीजीएम कंप्लीट होने के बाद?
I'll join a corporate, matlab I'll go into corporate world. I'll get in a good job from here, and that's all.
Just to be in corporates with a good image and corporate skills.
तो क्या फनी सेगमेंट की तरफ चलता है? अब इनसे कुछ फनी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे। क्लासेस में फोकस ज्यादा होता है अटेंडेंस कंप्लीट करने का टेंशन?
Well, both.
ओके। जिम्स के हॉस्टल में वाईफाई स्पीड का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है? नेटफ्लिक्स चलता है या बफरिंग होती है?
Buffering.
आप तो नॉट इन हॉस्टल। ओके। क्लासेस के नोट्स ज्यादा यूजफुल होते हैं या गूगल?
Notes.
आपके बैचमेंट में कौन फ्यूचर सीओ मटेरियल लगता है? ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट में कौन सिर्फ नाम लिखवाने आता है? एग्जाम के टाइम पे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट सिलेबस या लास्ट नाइट नोट्स?
Last night.
Last night notes.
कैंपस का बेस्ट हैंग आउट स्पॉट कौन सा है?
Chai garam.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग से बात करके। थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस। एंड गाइस, आपको कोई भी क्वेरी होगा कॉलेज से रिलेटेड तो नंबर शो हो रहा होगा, आप वहां से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। तो चलो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे, नेक्स्ट कॉलेज सीरीज पे। ओके, बाय बाय गाइस।